on, in an interesting political development, the ruling BJP in Arunachal Pradesh has gained big as 6 of the state's 7 Janata Dal United MLAs, and the Lone People's Party of Arunachal Pradesh, that's PPA, legislators have worn saffron. Now, what does this really mean? Let's go across to my colleague Ratnadeep. Ratnadeep, what is the political significance of this?
That's right. In fact, this is a very interesting development which has taken place in Arunachal Pradesh, where these 7 out of the 7 JDU MLAs, 6 of them have switched sides, gone to BJP, along with the lone MLA from the People's Party of Arunachal Pradesh. Now, significantly what it means is that it increases the number of BJP MLAs inside the assembly now to 48 in the 60-member assembly, and the opposition is reduced to 12. Now, what is important here is to also point out that while the JDU is a partner to the BJP at center, but in Arunachal Pradesh, both these parties were not in alliance. They were not partners. In fact, in the last election, they had fought against each other. So this just goes to show that how BJP also operates, perhaps in the Northeast, where it has now come to power in all the states in the Northeast, all the 8 states, either by its where it has own government, or it is partner with other partners, other regional parties. But what is important is that right from the time when BJP started making inroads in Northeast, it has always tried to poach even leaders and MLAs from parties which are either part of NDA or part of the Northeast Democratic Alliance, which is the regional alliance that the BJP had floated after the Assam elections of 2016, where it was basically an anti-Congress alliance, where the regional parties from Northeast became partners to the BJP in this alliance, where PPA was also an alliance partner. But also it signifies that in Arunachal Pradesh politics, party loyalties really is not the strength of Arunachal Pradesh politics. In fact, the present Chief Minister Pema Khandu, when he was sworn in, he was a Congress MLA. Then he, along with his cabinet members, he switched over to the People's Party of Arunachal Pradesh and then to the BJP. This has been a trend in Arunachal Pradesh politics, and it has once again this has developed in Arunachal Pradesh, which this time is going to help the BJP.